had hiccups like that.
wow.
Or we were thinking about giving somebody a nickname, and her name I don't want to say her full name, but it started with T, and the nickname I came up with was Teabag.
Done.
We might have to pause the song.
I'm about to knock my damn microphone over.
Listen, everybody in the room was like, Nakia was in the room that day, thank God. Nakia said, Juwaira's from England. She doesn't know what just happened. Nakia, I hope you're watching this episode. She's like, Juwaira doesn't realize what just happened. And yeah, and she told me, she was like, just type in Urban Dictionary Teabag. And oh my God. I'm never going to forget that.
I would have made you my friend because, like, I gotta see what else she gonna say throughout the days.
Yeah, it was difficult, man.